Hello guys, and welcome to this new video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you actually my AI system that I've built for myself to accelerate my business. So there are two tools. The tool that we will be talking about today is the YouTube Shorts generator, and that allowed me actually to create shorts videos using AI. So I'm creating content in a very easy way, in a very, I would say, fast way about any subject out there that is as news, or I want actually to educate something. I will be actually using this YouTube Short. Let me show you how I do it and how I created this tool. And later on, I will also show you my N8N flow in the backend. So you can actually get inspired if you are trying to create your own AI systems for your own business or for other clients out there. So just to let you know, I have this thing, which is the one which is more, I would say, clean, because it starts with a messy workflow. Then you start actually to test and fail as always, and then you get what you're expecting. So that's the way you build AI systems or AI flows. So let me show you actually the videos that I've created with this. So there are a lot of videos depending on the news. I just give it actually the article and it creates for me directly the video. Okay, so basically what I do is I have my face, which is AI generated with HeyGen, and on the above section I have a picture that actually announces what I will be talking about. So this is all done with my AI system. So I'll be actually showing you how I do it. And by the way, if you're interested in this tool, you can find it in my school community. I'm sharing it with you guys so you can have access to it. And also I'm sharing the N8N workflow. So if you want actually to automate the whole flow by yourself and not use an interface like this or AI system, you can also. I'm also explaining everything and how I have done it and how I have created this AI system so you can do it too. So basically, yeah, if you want to join the school community, the link will be in the description below or in the first comment. So basically what I do actually is I give an article as an entry, okay? I click generate script. It will actually generate the script, okay? So why it does, it goes back here and it touches this webhook, okay? So it sends the article and then it gets the markdown of the article. And here with the AI agent, I will create a script. So here you can see that there are two similar ones. There is actually a script for educational kind of videos, and there is another one for news. So when there is a news and when there is, let's say, education video that I would like to do short, I use this one instead of this one. I just have to actually change the webhook URL and it works as it should. So here actually I give the webhooks for each step. So each actually flow that you can see here is corresponding to a step. So you have step 1, this is also step 1, this is step 2, step 3, step 4, and 5. So let me actually talk about this, okay? So here I will create the AI avatar. So that's the step 2. So now I have actually a script. You can modify the script. This is what great about AI, I would say, systems, is that you have control actually for each step you have. So you can actually stop and check what AI has done and modify it if you want, okay? So here, what it is done, it actually search for images that corresponds to your subject. So my subject is about mixed board by Google. And so if I like one of the photos, there are 5 photos, I just actually choose one photo. For example, I like this one, I will choose this one, for example. In here, I can change my script, or I can even add a media if I want, instead of taking this one, okay? So great. Now what I will do is I will generate the avatar video. So I will be generating myself, or my avatar self, that will be talking about the subject, taking this script, okay? So generate the avatar video. It takes some time, so it will be actually calling my AI agent, oh, sorry, my web service, which is the one with HeyGen, with my avatar. And it will generate the video, and yeah, it will take some time. So why I added this step, which is the check avatar status, you can also find it here in my workflow. It's just to check the status to see which step it is in the process. So it will take some time. It takes around 2-3 minutes. So currently it's processing. So I'll be explaining the rest, so I don't have actually to explain it again. So we will take advantage of this time. So step 4 is create YouTube thumbnail. That's something that I have not yet implemented, but it will be coming in the next versions of my AI system. And the step 5. So the step 5 is also something that I actually, it's already there. I will be using it. So what does the step 5 does? The step 5 actually merges between the picture that we have chosen in the step 2, or sorry, the step 1, and my avatar video. So when the avatar video will be finished, I will just have to actually check the status. And when I check the status and it is completed, what it will be happening is I will get this actually input, fill in with my URL, which is the avatar URL, okay? Then what I will do is I will simply create the final video, and it will create my video for me. So this is the step 5. And now I'll be actually talking about the step 6. So the step 6 is actually sharing it to my social media. So this is also a flow that you can find here. And I'll be explaining even further how actually to connect everything in the school community. So don't hesitate to join if you're interested in this flow. So here actually I'm sharing the video in two media, and YouTube Shorts and my Instagram. I'll be also adding other endpoints like TikTok and other accounts, but for now I just use those two because they are the most relevant for me. I just always try to keep it simple and keep it as impactful as it is. So for me, YouTube Shorts is the most impactful, I would say, platform that I can use today. Then I've added Instagram. Then later on, of course, I will add other platforms. So let's check the avatar status. It's still on processing, so I'll probably speed up this this step. Okay, great. So the avatar status has been completed. As you can see, you can have the video URL that you have gotten from the webhook response. And here you will create the YouTube thumbnail. We will not do that because it's not implemented. And as you can see, the URL has been actually assigned in that input, as I've told you before. And we have also actually the captions. So here we have the captions, and we just have to create the video. So now we are merging the video. We have an ID of the video, so it takes some time also, but it's not that much of time compared to the avatar video. It will take, like, for example, 30 seconds or something like that. So that's why I've created the check video status, where I check actually the status of my video. When it will be completed, I'll be able to share it to the social media. So there's other two things, which is the video title and the video description, that are also made by AI, so I don't have to do it myself. It has been done actually in the first step. Great. So final video URL, the same thing. It will be actually added here when the video has been finished. So I have to check the status. Great. So you can see this is the result. I have myself that talks about the subject, which is the mix board. And I can actually run it to actually check what is the result. And as you can see, it actually gives a very realistic output. And this is very interesting for people that are trying to create content. And I don't think you should always just create content like this, but I think it should be hybrid kind of content, okay? It should be AI avatar and your actual self, because your actual self will build up a trust to people, and they can actually see you and kind of build up the trust with you. Great. So you can see the title, the description, all good. We have the final video URL. So as magic, you just actually share this to social media, and it will be shared as we're speaking now. And now we can actually check. It takes some time to get to your social media, which is normal because it's a video. But just in, for example, 10 seconds, it will appear here, and it will also appear in my Instagram. Just to show you also, you can check the executions. So this is not the one that I'm using. I'm using the spaghetti one, which is, I think, this one. So you can check in the executions, and you can check the actual steps that we have run. And if there is any error, you can fix it here. This is pretty great because, as I said, if you have your N8N as the backend, you can actually do a lot of stuff with this. It's very easy to develop this kind of solutions based on your needs. And this is what's powerful about no coding instead of doing code. Code, it can actually be harder to debug, I would say. And for non-coders, it's better to go to this path. Actually, I'll also talk about how you can create all these steps by your own using vibe coding. So if it's something that interests you, I'll be sharing this in the community, in my school community. So yeah, great. So you can see I have uploaded it in the YouTube. It has been also uploaded to Instagram. I'll probably also create a video about Instagram because they change a lot their APIs, and people get a hard time to publish and to post to Instagram. Great. So you can see here now I have my video, and as you can see, it's pretty great because I can get a lot of views of my shorts, because YouTube is pushing a lot lately the videos in the short content. So you can see also I have actually my transcript that is actually also made up in the middle. That's also made by my N8N flow. So I hope you like the video and you find it pretty insightful, and also helps you actually to create your own AI YouTube shorts. And to help actually people, this is the goal also, is to share value. At the same time, I'm learning stuff about AI and also sharing stuff about AI, and everybody is winning. It's a win-win kind of situation. Don't hesitate to subscribe to the video and you find it pretty insightful. And if you want me to actually describe anything in this flow or go further in what I have done, just ask me in the comment section. I will be happy to create a video for you guys. Have a good day and see you in the next one.